Hi, I'm Maverick, a Build.com project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose the right exhaust fan for my bathroom? Exhaust fans are an important consideration in any bathroom design. They remove excess humidity from the air and clear away bathroom odors. Moisture generated by steam from the shower or bathtub can damage the walls, ceiling, and woodwork in your bathroom. And all that warm, moist air can create the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew. To maintain a healthy environment and to protect your home from damage, it's important to install a bathroom exhaust fan to control the humidity levels. There are a few things you need to consider when choosing a bath fan. You're going to want to consider the size of your bathroom, the installation type, and what features you want your fan to have. Your first consideration is size. Bath fans are rated by CFM, or cubic feet per minute, and this rating refers to the amount of air that a fan can move in 1 minute. Ideally, an exhaust fan will be able to move a room full of air about 8 times per hour, or about once every 7.5 minutes. There's a formula to calculate the size fan you need. First, multiply the length, width, and height of the bathroom to get the volume of the room in cubic feet. Then multiply that number by 0.13 to get the CFM required. For example, a bathroom that measures 10 feet by 10 feet with an 8-foot tall ceiling would call for an exhaust fan with a rating of 104 CFM. So once you're ready to shop for your fan, you can sort the selection according to CFM. For a further in-depth look on CFM power and what you will need in your bathroom space, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below. Next, you'll choose the installation type, either standard or inline. Standard exhaust fans are mounted to a ceiling or a wall, and the motor is part of the unit. This is probably the most familiar type of bath fan and can include a light or other features. Inline exhaust fans have the motor mounted in the attic or crawl space. The motor pulls the air out of the bathroom and then pushes it outside the home through ductwork. And since inline exhaust fans are not mounted directly to the bathroom ceiling, they're a quieter option. Finally, you'll choose which optional features you want. Bathroom exhaust fans can include integrated lighting, heaters, humidity sensors that automatically activate the fan, and even built-in Bluetooth speakers. To learn more about choosing the right exhaust fan for your bathroom, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below. And visit Build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.